Hello friends, this is Akshay from Fenton Chemicals Indore. Today I am going to tell you how to make fish oil soluble in water using our emulsifier DIKO FIO. So here we have with us refined fish oil, solvent C9, you can also use Aromax or Remax, and emulsifier for fish oil, that is DIKO FIO. First of all, we'll take 55 grams of fish oil. Now we will add 30 grams of solvent C9 to it. It will act as a carrier solvent here. Now we will add 15 grams of our emulsified DIKO FIO to it. We will mix the solution properly. Now we will add water to this to show you how the emulsion is formed. An excellent milky white emulsion is formed over here. As you can now see, we have made fish oil completely soluble in water using our emulsifier DIKO FIO and solvent C9 as a carrier solvent here. You can decrease or increase the concentration of solvent C9 as per your requirement. Our emulsifier DIKO FIO also works on crude fish oil and unrefined fish oil. This emulsified fish oil is used in various agrochemical formulation. For any further orders or query related to our product, you can contact on the email ID and mobile number given in the link below. This emulsified C9